Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if a string is a palindrome or not. So Anna would be a palindrome, and you could even do sentences like but tuba would be a palindrome. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is include algorithm and include a string. Okay, so we're going to need a string. Let's call it user string. Okay, so we're going to tell the user to enter a string. Let's get the line. Okay, so now what we want to do is if the string has any white spaces, we want to erase the white spaces. So I'm going to use size t, call it position, set it equal to user string dot find find the white space starting from the beginning of the string. So size t is pretty much like an integer, but it's going to be useful because I'm going to use something called string and POS, which compares against size t. Okay, so while position does not equal string and POS, basically what this means is if it does not equal, it means that it found it. So while it does not equal, which means if it finds it, we want to erase it. So user string dot erase position 1. Basically what this means is if it finds the white space, you want to erase the white space, so erase what's at that position and just that one character, right? So now we need another size t variable that's called that new position, and set that equal to user string dot find actually no, we have to set this equal to to position plus 1, meaning we already found this position. So if there's another space, we want to start it out instead of from 0 again, we want to start it out from position plus 1. So now we do user position equals user string dot find the white space starting at the new position. Okay, and that's it for the while loop. So now this pretty much will erase all the white spaces. So now we need a new string. Let's call it new string. Set it equal to the string without the spaces. And now we want to use reverse, which is in the algorithm. We want to reverse user string from the beginning to the end. And now we just want to compare the new string, which was the unreversed string. So dot compare, and the way compare works is if it's equal to 0, it's the same string. So palindrome, or else if that means it's not the same string, we're gonna see out not a palindrome. That's pretty much it. Let's return 0. Okay, so let's run this. So it's going to tell me to enter a string. Let's try out something that's not a palindrome. Like palindrome is not a palindrome, and it's not a palindrome. Let's try something that is, like Anna, palindrome, or even a sentence, which is why we removed the white space. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you just want to try it out with just one word without caring about the white spaces, you don't need this whole thing. You could just do that the string is equal to the user string, and then reverse the user string, and then compare. So let me run that just to show you. So Anna, palindrome, palindrome, not a palindrome, but then this one won't work with spaces. So but tuba, it's not going to work. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful.